Hey everybody, it's Banana here. Going to walk you through a little bit of this week, most importantly so that we can talk about tomorrow, which is Friday, the 23rd of May. So we're going to walk back 2 days ago, so not today, but yesterday, and we saw some kind of waning strength here as we kind of piled through the day before that being Tuesday, really just kind of holding our own, kind of walking through really nothing days. Matter of fact, even if you look at Monday, we opened gap down. We did come back, recover, and just kind of really traded in nowhere's land there. But we promised you guys a dip before things go strong. We are in a bull market, so we're going to make this stuff work. But we did promise you a dip, so here's the dip. So we got this dip yesterday, Thursday, and what we told you at the end of the day is that at that point in time we were expecting things to either consolidate with a little bit of a further dip or go up from there. And that consolidation would go down as low as 577. This is SPY, and we're looking at a 5-minute chart just for orientation. So we're looking for it to go down, or we would go sideways, or we might kind of rock it up. But we gave some parameters behind that. Now here's what happened, kind of exactly the base case. So the base case is that we kind of consolidate a little bit, drop a little further, dropping into tomorrow, which is what we saw here at the end of the day. So we drop into tomorrow, and then towards the end of the day, at the weekly close, we will see things rise. And so then we'll start to see that recovery, that healing. That healing may not be so fast because we did have such a long consolidation period. It wasn't a drop and rip as we were kind of hoping for, but it's more in line with kind of the base case scenario. So saying all that means that as we get closer and closer to the monthly close, we need to close above 577 SPY, which we will do based upon all estimations and things that we've been doing. And right now we're looking at opening tomorrow, probably opening on the down end of the spectrum here, closer maybe to 577. If not, we may drift down there, at which point in time I expect by the end of the day we'll actually have some recovery, and we'll go there. Now, there are a lot of key factors that are utilized in determining this, and most of them have to do with 4-hour candles that we'll see beforehand. So please, always trust the process, but make sure you have all the data. That's why we provide it. This is what we do here. We give you guys all the pivots so that you can see what's going on. For instance, right here. So these are all our the pivots here based upon what we're expected today. So these are today's pivots in the blue, and we got a monthly here at 583. So 583 did not hold into the close, which is okay because we still have it's a monthly pivot, so we still have all the way through. But our expectation is coming back down to here, 578.36. We've got a monthly pivot down here. Really, we've got a pile of SMAs. There's so much support down here. Totally expecting all that to hold, and then we'll pop back up. How far down we go till we get there, till we reverse, not quite 100% sure, but we do have this ghost pivot down 577.38 that is kind of our expected drop point to close above on, so it would make sense to touch it first before we do so. Then again, after that happens, after that happens, we then expect to start the recovery, and the recovery will go rather rapidly, so we should be back in the 580s, going into the 590s, if not higher, by mid-end next week. So there's your ride. Now you know what to do tomorrow. If you're swinging, you're fine. If you're day trading, be careful with the drops and the pops because tomorrow's going to be a little rough because we've got a weekly close and we're down at the bottom channel that which we fought all day here with this consolidation. So totally expect to have a little bit of ride there. Scalping should be awesome. I will see you guys on the trading floor tomorrow. I am Banana. Oh, and if you type in the comments below the word snap, I will send you my free trend snap guide. I'll email it to you. So just drop the comment down there. I'll find you. We'll figure it out and send it over to you. Little guidance on how we use these snap pivots to get things going. Anyway, thanks for watching. I am Banana. See you on the trading floor.